thumbnail. That made you click on this video. No matter how much time you spend writing a killer script, recording the perfect voiceover, and editing an engaging video, there's one thing you need to remember. All that effort will go to waste if you make a boring thumbnail, because until people click on your video, they're not going to watch it, right? And here's the problem. Most people don't actually know what makes a clickable thumbnail. If you're one of them, this video is super important for you. Today, I'm going to share literally everything I've learned about creating the most clickable YouTube thumbnails. We'll see how to find viral concepts, the psychology behind thumbnails, and the 5 core principles that make a thumbnail eye-catching. So let's get started. What is a clickable thumbnail? So whenever we talk about making thumbnails, everyone says, make it clickable. But exactly, what does a clickable thumbnail even mean? A clickable thumbnail is one that tells a story and makes the viewer curious. And it's that curiosity that makes people click your video. Every successful YouTube thumbnail creates a story in the viewer's mind and pushes them to click. Take Ryan Trahan, for example, a theme park review screenshot. Text says, "Don't try yellow slide." And in the photo, Ryan is clearly on the yellow slide. Now the viewer immediately thinks, what's going to happen? Is the slide dangerous? Is something funny about to happen? And that's exactly why they click. Another example, 8 psychological tricks that actually work. There's a humanoid character eating a banana. A red circle highlights the banana, and bold text says, they actually work. The character's nervous expression adds even more curiosity. So basically, story plus emotion plus question equals sign perfect clickable thumbnail. Real theory of thumbnail design. When it comes to designing thumbnails, if you master this, your thumbnails will always grab attention. Be simple and easy to understand. Look professional colors and contrast. Use complementary colors. Red, green, blue, orange, purple, yellow. This combo makes your thumbnail pop. And the most important thing, every element should have clear contrast. So here's the takeaway. A killer thumbnail equals sign, story plus curiosity plus design plus simplicity. You can't really understand the whole thumbnail concept in just a 2 or 3 minute video. But if you guys want, I can make a dedicated video just on thumbnails. So if you want, then comment thumbnail. For now though, in this video, I've already shared the most important things you need to know about thumbnails. Apply these tips, and I guarantee your video's CTR is going to skyrocket.